My channel, beautiful people. Today I will be doing a face pack with Fuller's Earth. This is the original 100% pure Fuller's Earth. It's called Multani Mitti as well. It's an Indian healing clay. What this ingredient does is it's very good for people with pimples on their face that is trying to clear the pimple and stop new ones from forming. It's what I like about this mask is regular use of it. It will reduce the too much oil on your face, because people with acne prone skin usually have overproduction of sebum, which they are producing a lot of natural oils more than their skin should. So this mask is this ingredient is going to help to reduce that overproduction of oil. It's going to shrink your pores, because large pores, as we know, causes acne breakers. So it's going to help to shrink your pores. It's going to remove a lot of dirt and impurities from your skin. It will brighten your skin, and it will make more like a regular use of it will glow your skin. So I'll be using it with RoseWater, 100% organic. I always preach whenever you're using any natural product, make sure it's organic. As you can see, it's 100% organic. And then I'll be adding a little bit of lemon juice for brightening, for skin brightening. But this lemon juice is optional, especially if you don't like using lemon juice on your face, because you know, lemon juice contains citric acid. So a lot of people don't like using that on their face. So it's optional. You still get the same results if you don't put lemon juice. But I like to use lemon juice when I'm doing this face pack. So you can still use only rose water and Fuller's Earth powder. It will still give you the I have a little pimple here, you know, that time of the month, so let's see how it will look after using this. I'm just gonna leave it on for about 20 minutes, and then it's really tight. It's getting dry actually, but like I could feel the tightness. That's the reason why, because it draws out all the impurities and dirt from your skin. So I'll leave it for another 2 minutes, and then I'll wash it off. And this is really tight. Oh wow, look at that. So I noticed that this pimple here that I have on my face, the mask busted open, and yeah, I like it. My face is very red though, which is good. It means the mask is working. I like the effect it has on my face. My face looks really bright and it's glowing. It's red at the moment, but I know it's going to get better. Then, yeah, I like it. When you finish, you could just decide to put moisturizer toner on your face. But I use the Mario Badescu, the spray. That's what I use. Don't know if you can see it. And I just spray just to more like hydrate my skin. After spraying it, I just leave it on for a few minutes just to soak in, and I will be putting my moisturizer then after that. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and be a part of this community. I love you guys. Take care. Bye.